Do you want to go to the park? Okay, let's grab your stuff. Here, you hold that. Yep, let's go put it in the back of the truck. Oh, I need to unload this truck.
So today we're still doing it. It's safe to say we've all been here. You want to go do something fun, you gotta do something else to get it done. Gotta add my little helper.
I don't know if you can pull it by yourself. You want to see? All right, find out. Try it.
And if you have a garage like mine, then you know. Just put stuff away quickly, because organizing never stops.
Pull, pull, pull. You want me to help you? Oh, yeah, all right. You got it. Yeah. And right there, nice. Thank you.
I really enjoy seeing little mans be so independent. So we managed to get it done at record 5 times speed. Showed up to the park and started getting ready to go shred. The progress that this little guy is showing just amazes me every single time. I can't wait for more of this to come. Please like, comment, and follow for more.